Let's break down patio furniture layout ideas for concrete spaces. Here's what you need to know. Smart furniture arrangement strategies for concrete patios maximize usability, traffic flow, and comfort. Learn spacing rules, layout patterns, and maintenance tips. Quick answer. Most concrete patios work best with 12 to 20 feet of length and width. Arrange furniture in functional zones, dining, lounge, accent, with 18 to 24 inches of clearance between pieces and 36-inch minimum pathways. Follow a conversation square or L-shaped layout depending on your patio shape and entertaining style. Your concrete patio is the stage for outdoor living, but only if furniture placement makes sense. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We've helped homeowners build hundreds of durable concrete patios designed to support well-arranged outdoor furniture for decades. The challenge most homeowners face isn't the concrete itself. It's figuring out how to arrange chairs, tables, and lounges to maximize comfort, traffic flow, and visual balance. This post breaks down proven furniture layout strategies, specific measurements, and design principles that work across different patio shapes and sizes. Whether you're planning a new concrete patio or optimizing an existing one, these layouts will help you create an inviting outdoor space. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in durable concrete patios designed to support furniture arrangements that last decades. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. A typical concrete patio for furniture ranges from 12 by 14 feet to 20 by 20 feet, depending on household size and entertaining style. Expert layout planning ensures your concrete investment becomes the centerpiece of outdoor living. Moving on to ideal concrete patio size and dimensions. The first decision is scale. A concrete patio that's too small feels cramped. One that's oversized is expensive and hard to maintain. Most residential entertaining patios range from 12 by 14 feet to 20 by 20 feet. Here's how to think about it. 12 by 14 feet, 168 square feet, works for a small family or couple. This size accommodates 4 to 6 chairs around a dining table or a modest conversation grove with a sofa and 2 accent chairs. You'll have limited room for both dining and lounge seating simultaneously. 14 by 18 feet, 252 square feet, is the sweet spot for most households. This size easily separates a dining zone, 10 by 12 feet, from a lounge zone, 12 by 14 feet, with a 3-foot buffer. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.